Hello students, this is Salip Udani and today I will teach you one topic of FOD, that is non-exact differential equation. So in case of non-exact differential equation, we have total number of 4 cases and today I will teach you 2 cases. Non-exact differential equations reducible to exact form. Sometimes a differential equation is not exact but can be made exact by multiplying with a suitable integrating factor, that is IF. Here we will discuss different methods to find an IF to a non-exact differential equation mdx plus ndy equals to 0, where m and n are functions of x and y. So first of all, we will consider case number 1. Case number 1 is if del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by n is f of x, where f of x is a function of x alone, then IF is e raised to integration fx dx. So after multiplication with IF, equation becomes exact and can be solved using the method of exact differential equations as discussed earlier. Now I will make you understand this concept with the help of two examples. One is example number 1. We have to solve this differential equation. So first of all, we will compare this differential equation with the standard form, and the standard form is m dx plus m dy equals to 0. So by comparison, we have m equals to x square plus y square plus 3 and n equals to minus 2xy. Now we have to find out del m by del y and del n by del x. Del n by del y is partial derivative of x square plus y square plus 3 with respect to y. So derivative of x square is 0, y square is 2y, and derivative of 3 is 0. So del m by del y is 2y. Now del n by del x is partial derivative of minus 2xy with respect to x. So minus 2y as it is, and derivative of x is 1. Now you can see that 2y is not equals to minus 2y. So del m by del y is not equals to del n by del x. So the equation is not exact. So first of all, we will find out del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by n. So del m by del y is 2y, minus sign as it is, del m by del x is minus 2y, and divided by n is minus 2xy. Minus minus plus 2y plus 2y is 4y, minus 2xy as it is, y will cancel out, 4 divided by 2 is 2, minus sign as it is. So del m by del y minus del n by del x divided by n is minus 2 by x. Now IF is e raised to integration fx dx and fx is minus 2 by x. Now integration of 1 upon x is log x, this minus 2 as it is. Now applying the property of logarithm, that is n log x equals to log x raised to n. So it will become e raised to log x raised to minus 2. Now again applying the property of logarithm, that is e raised to log y. To be easy, the result is y. So it will become x raised to minus 2, and x raised to minus 2 is 1 upon x square. Now multiplying the differential equation by IF. So this is the differential equation mdx plus ndy equals to 0. Now multiplying it by 1 upon x square, right? So x square by x square is 1, y square plus 3 multiplied by 1 upon x square, result is y square plus 3 by x square, and over here 1 time x will cancel out, so the result is minus 2y by x dy equals to 0. Now comparing it with m1 dx plus n1 dy equals to 0, we have m1 equals to 1 plus y square plus 3 by x square, and n1 is minus 2y by x. So del m1 by del y is partial derivative of m1 with respect to y. Derivative of 1 is 0, and 3 and x square is constant. Derivative of y square is 2y, 3 is 0, divided by x square is constant. So del m by del y, del m1 by del y is 2y by x square. Now partial derivative of n1 with respect to x, answer is del n1 by del x, that is equals to minus 2y is constant, and derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. So minus minus is plus. So we have del m1 by del y, that is equals to del n1 by del x. Hence we can say that the given differential is exact differential equation. And its general solution is given by integration m1 dx y constant plus integration terms of n1 not containing x dy equals to 0. So integration m1 is 1 plus y square plus 3 by x square dx plus terms of n1 not containing x. N1 is minus 2y by x, and this is not a x free term, so we have written 0 over here. Now integration of 1 with respect to x, answer is x, and y square plus 3 is constant, and integration of 1 upon x square, it means integration of x raised to minus 2, so that is x raised to minus 1 by minus 1. Writing it in simplified form, it will become minus y square plus 3 by x, and 0 is eliminated over here. It is not considered because it is 0, and integration of 0 is 0, and that is equals to 0. Now multiplying this whole equation by x, the result is x into x square. It will become minus y square minus plus minus 3, and that is equals to cx. This is the required solution. Now we will see example number 2. We have to solve this differential equation 2y dx plus 2x log x minus x square dy equals to 0. First of all, comparing this equation with the standard form m dx plus n dy equals to 0, we have m equals to 2y and n equals to 2x log x minus xy. Now partial derivative of m with respect to y, del m by del y is 2 constant, and derivative of y with respect to y, answer is 1, so the result is 2. Now del n by del x, so partial derivative of this function with respect to x, 2 as it is, log x as it is, derivative of x is 1, then after plus 2 as it is and x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, so x will cancel out, then after minus sign as it is, derivative of x is 1 and y is constant. Now you can see that both are not same, it means del m by del y is not equals to del n by del x, so the equation is not exact. Now we will find out del m by del y minus del n by del x over n, and this is equals to del m by del y is 2 minus sign as it is, and del n by del x is 2 log x plus 2 minus y, and divided by n, n is 2x log x minus xy. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel out, so the result is minus into bracket 2 log x minus y, and divided by taking x common into bracket 2 log x minus y. So 2 log x minus y will cancel out, so the result is minus 1 upon x. So this is fx. Now if is e raised to integration fx dx, and integration of 1 upon x is log x minus sign as it is. Now again applying the property of logarithm, it will become e raised to log x raised to minus 1. Again applying the property of logarithm, it will become x raised to minus 1, and x raised to minus 1 is 1 upon x. So the integrating factor is 1 upon x. Now we will multiply the given differential equation by if 2y dx plus 2x log x minus xy dy equals to 0. This is the given differential equation, multiplying it by 1 upon x. So this is 2y by x dx plus x and x will cancel out, 2 log x minus this x and x will cancel out, minus y, dy equals to 0. Now comparing this equation with m1 dx plus n1 dy equals to 0. So we have m1 equals to 2y by x and n1 is 2 log x minus y. So del m1 by del y, that is equals to 2 by x, because derivative of y is 1 and 2 by x is constant, and partial derivative of n1 with respect to x, that is del n1 by del x, 2 as it is, and derivative of log x is 1 upon x and y is 0. So del n1 by del x is 2 by x. So we have del m1 by del y equals to del n1 by del x. So we can say that the given equation is exact after multiplying it by if. So the general solution is integration y constant m1 dx plus integration terms of n1 not containing x dy equals to c. So integration m1 is 2y by x dx plus integration terms of n1 not containing x is minus y only. So minus y dy equals to 0. Now 2y is constant and integration of 1 upon x is log x. Then after plus minus is minus, integration of y, answer is y squared by 2 equals to c. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Now we will see case number 2. Case number 2 is if del n by del x minus del m by del y upon m is function of y, then if is e raised to integration f by dy. After multiplying with if, the equation becomes exact and can be solved using the method of exact differential equation. I will explain you with the help of two examples. Example number 1, we have to solve this differential equation. Now first of all, compare this differential equation with the standard form, that is m dx plus n dy equals to 0. So by comparison, we have m equals to y raised to 4 plus 2y and n is xy cube plus 2y raised to 4 minus 4x. Now del m by del y is partial derivative of m with respect to y. Derivative of y raised to 4 is 4y cube and plus 2y is plus 2. Now partial derivative of n with respect to x, del n by del x is derivative of x is 1, y cube is constant, and plus 2y raised to 4, this is the function of y, so its derivative is 0, minus 4 as it is, and derivative of x is 1. Now you can see that del m by del y is not equals to del m by del x, so it is not exact. Now we will find out del n by del x minus del m by del y over m, and this is equals to del n by del x is y cube minus 4, del n by del x is y cube minus 4, you can see from here. Then after minus sign, and del m by del y is 4y cube plus 2, this is 4y cube plus 2, and divided by m is y raised to 4 plus 2y. Done. Okay. Now simplifying this equation, in the numerator we have minus 3 times into bracket y cube plus 2, and taking y common from the denominator, it will become y cube plus 2. So y cube plus 2 will cancel out, and the result is minus 3 by y. Now this is fy. So if is e raised to integration fy dy. E raised to integration of 1 upon y is log y minus 3 as it is. Applying the properties of logarithm, it will become e raised to log y raised to minus 3, and that will become y raised to minus 3, and y raised to minus 3 is 1 upon y cube. Now multiplying the given differential equation by the if, so this is the given differential equation, and we have multiplied it by 1 upon y cube. So 1 time by will can 3 times y will cancel out, so y raised to 4 by y cube, the result is y, plus 2y by y cube, the result is 2 by y square, xy cube by y cube, the result is x, plus 2y raised to 4 by y cube, the result is 2y, and finally minus 4x by y cube dy equals to 0. Now comparing this with the standard form, m1 dx plus n1 dy equals to 0, we have m1 is 2 plus m1 is y plus 2 upon y square, and n1 is x plus 2y minus 4x by y cube. Now we will find out the partial derivative of m1 with respect to y and partial derivative of n1 with respect to x. So del m1 by del y is derivative of y with respect to y, result is 1. Then after derivative of 1 upon y square, 1 upon y square, that is nothing but y raised to minus 2. And derivative of y raised to minus 2, the result is minus 2 y raised to minus 3. So 2 to the 4, and plus minus is minus 4. And y raised to minus 3, that is 1 upon y cube. So del m1 by del y is 1 minus 4 by y cube. Now del n by del x means partial derivative of n1 with respect to x, and derivative of x is 1, 2y is 0 because 2y is constant. Then after minus 4 by y cube is constant, and derivative of x is 1. Since del m1 by del y and del n1 by del x both are same, so the given differential equation is now exact. And its general solution is given by integration y constant m1 dx plus integration terms of n1 not containing x dy equals to c. So integration m1 is y plus 2 over y square, right? plus terms of n not containing x, terms of n1 not containing x is 2y only, right? So we have written 2y over here, dy equals to c. Now y plus 2 over y square is constant and integration of 1 with respect to x, answer is x, plus integration of y with respect to y is y square by 2 and 2 will cancel out and equals to c. So this is the required solution of the given differential equation. Now we move on to example 2 of case number 2. We have to solve this differential equation. So first of all, we have to compare this differential equation with the standard form, that is m dx plus n dy equals to 0. So by comparison, we have m equals to this whole function, right? And then after n equals to this whole function of x, right? Now we will find out del m by del y. Del m by del y means partial derivative of y, partial derivative of m with respect to y. So we have to keep 2x constant, and then after we have to apply product rule on the function y raised to 4 e raised to y, right? So y raised to 4 as it is, and derivative of e raised to y is e raised to y, plus e raised to y as it is, and derivative of y raised to 4 is 4y cube, and then after derivative of y cube is 3y square, plus derivative of y is 1, right? Now partial derivative of this m with respect to x, so we have to keep y constant, so this y raised to 4 and e raised to y is constant, and derivative of x square is 2x, then after y square is constant and derivative of x square is 2x, then after minus 3 same and derivative of x is 1. Now you can see that del m by del y, that is this function, and del n by del x, that is this function, both are not same. So we can say that this equation is not exact. So we will find out del n by del x minus del m by del y divided by m. Del n by del x, that is this function, then after minus del m by del y is this one function, right? We have multiplied this function by 2x, okay, and divided by m. M is this function, right? Okay. Now we have to simplify the numerator, right? After simplification, you will get this result, that is minus 4 into bracket 2xy cube e raised to y plus 2xy square plus 1, and in the denominator we have taken y common. In the bracket we have 2xy cube e raised to y plus 2xy square plus 1, right? So this one term and this one term will cancel out, and the result is minus 4 by y. So this is f of y. Now we will find out if. If is e raised to integration fy dy, and integration of 1 upon y is log y minus 4 as it is, so the result is e raised to minus 4 log y. Now applying the property of logarithm, it will become e raised to log y raised to minus 4, and again applying the property of logarithm, it will become y raised to minus 4, and y raised to minus 4 is 1 upon y raised to 4. So the if is 1 upon y raised to 4. Now multiplying the given differential equation, that is this one, by 1 upon y raised to 4. So dividing each and every term by y raised to 4 and simplifying, we have this result, right? 2x e raised to y. You can see that y raised to 4 will cancel out. The result is 2x e raised to y. Here is y cube, here is y raised to 4. So the result is 2x by y. Y over y raised to 4, we have 1 upon y cube dx. And over here y raised to 4 will cancel out. The result is x square e raised to y square, and it is y raised to 4. So in the denominator we will be having y square. So the result is minus x square by y square. And then after finally minus dx by y raised to 4 dy equals to 0. Now we are going to compare this equation with m1 dx plus n1 dy equals to 0. So by comparison, we have m1 equals to 2x e raised to y plus 2x by y plus 1 1 by y cube, and n1 is x square e raised to y minus x square by y square minus 3x by y raised to 4. So del m1 by del y, that is partial derivative of m1 with respect to y, x is constant, 2x is constant, and derivative of e raised to y is e raised to y, plus 2x is constant and derivative of 1 upon y is minus 1 upon y square. Then after derivative of 1 upon y cube, that is minus 3 by y raised to 4. Now similarly we have to find out the partial derivative of n1 with respect to x, that is del n1 by del x. So we have to keep y constant, e raised to y as it is, derivative of x square is 2x, then after minus upon y square is same, and derivative of x square is 2x, then after minus upon y raised to 4 is same, 3 is same, and derivative of x is 1. Now we can see that both del m1 by del y and del n1 by del x are same. It means the given differential equation is now exact. Hence its general solution is integration y constant m1 dx plus integration terms of n1 not containing x dy equals to c. So integration y constant, this whole term is m1. You can see m1 is 2x e raised to y plus 2x by y plus 1 by y cube, right? And then after terms of n1 not containing x, right, that is absent. You can see from n1. Okay, so we have written 0 over here. Now integration of this function with respect to x keeping y constant, e raised to y is constant, integration of x is x square by 2, so 2 will cancel out, integration of x is x square by 2, 2 will cancel out, and upon y is constant, plus 1 upon y cube is constant, and integration of 1 is x, and integration of 0 with respect to y, answer is 0, and that is equals to c. So this is the required solution. Thank you for watching this video.